The second day is Gou Ri, Dog Day. On the second day of the New Year, wives have the tradition of visiting their natal family. The tradition is said to be related to the Ming Dynasty Emperor Zhu Yuanzhang. Yuanzhang's youngest daughter, Princess Anqing, refused to visit her husband's poor family in the New Year. Yuanzhang taught her to respect her parents-in-law and allow her to come back after the first day. Since then, it has become a tradition to return to wife's natal family on the second day of the New Year. When a married daughter returns to her family for New Year's greeting, she will bring various gifts to her family's relatives. Her mother will distribute the baskets and candies to the neighbors and villagers. It represents her yearning for the relatives and friends.